Newsfast Karbi Anglong berta kithan jabang negi samika jerong Karbi aprangsi berta tepipen arjoita
MGPA Askim Pen Gari Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Ronghang Arideng Pen Kepajir Nilip Arlo Atheng Pi Keroy Kanghu Kangtonji Kali Aphiong Palithuong Hanjang langso along chitim alan akijoy pen kipajir pon. Bokajan along 25 gram heroin arakia hormu kinapdun long. District Transport Officer atun pen cipatir piponsi pini Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Transport Workshop asaihem along Mukhya Mantri Gramya Paribahan Achoni Askim Pen Karbi Anglong Fast Phase Home Circuit Gari Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Ronghang Arideng Pen Pajir Bangsomai District Transport Officer Pen Maichari Ponsi Aluhi Sarpuaman Pen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Ronghang Lapen MP Horen Singh Beg Tripura MP Rebati Tripuri Lapen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Mongol Singh Timung Raju Tiso Roton Teron Prodip Dipusa MAC Richard Togbi Prabhat Chandra Taro Dominic Ophing Maslai, DC Nak Chandra, Singha Pen, Danglok Kaprek Kithigiding Atuk Jetong Dun, Lasomaya Long, Road Safety Puthak Setami Than Pajirmi Pon, Kedamtang Aningkan, Karbi Anglong Accident Pen, Bangkok Capsose Aprandam Nang Lopusi, DC Lapen, Pachini Pon, Lapu Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, CEM Tuliram Ronghang Pen Tami, Towar Kimi Pen, Ahok Penangan, Overview, Kimi atung gari keve mate owe kimi atung gari keve pen ajok apran damnanglo lapen Assam Chief Minister scheme mate MP MGPA pen kidengpon ajok piniran atung bangso ale longponlo athe 25% setamit ake joyke Pipajir pon loputa mayalong jaipon News Desk Report Newsfast Karbi Anglong Nong 25 Nilip Constituency Womulang Sorens ke parlo bogijan bid of fees angkan Thedung ingnam dopik setame thengpi ingnam raikom sai khita dona thengpi kenep jadim tangkapen dibdun thulap ajoanarlo aphi ongkang huatung inglum ong inglong ikpi athengpi anke ingthai wanglo Birta kelong duna tengke bogijan bit asai khiatum joy pen tangka endun bomputa birta long dun womulang so range lapen bogijan bit office ta kang huatum aphanta paton nang pusi sai khiatum aphanta bilo bonta donna nokang thong meka viason chiplang det si nepdun dia jok nonke kang hu atum Hiri thek thesi lithupik khangjanglo tangte forest asai khi atum kedo pen kopi alelo kedolang aning wewang si gari hum krepho ke padam long ke forest asai khi ta amithang alia phan chotlo kanghuatum tangka tekang si padam thek tanlo bonta Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council DFO atum lapuson asai lang no kiklem atuma phan ajara kang saita dengdesi lang prong poma bonta department pen jongsi lang prong pulote nilip aradatum kisungji si katebok nang lerokpo nilip pen Robinson Terang Newsfast Karbi Anglong Hanjang Langso Sub Center Ahin Pen Sarupathar Constituency Angkang Hanjang Langso Arong Arat Atumaphan Keso Une Pen Chipajok 1 Thekjia Phan Pura Sub Center Ahin Pen Adontin Atumaphan Chitim Alan Kiron Pon Hanjang Langso Sub Center Atum Pen Patir Piponsi Klembang Phu Harrison Tiso Asa Jilikiti ICDS Thanbang Phi Karong Tiso Pi Lapen Pani Lek Thepi Atum Ahin Pen Si Pajir Pon Hanjang Langso Along Kidoan Adontin arat atum setame chitim alan kilong dun pen alang litum aphan kachuru pon lapen ningkarong ningkang samta nang chepaklang dun langche thingpen Sarbinong Timung Newsfast Karbi Anglong Pini Bokajan Police Station angkang truck home ni aphan honthi ponsi kirika kuruk ahut arakia hormo heroin kenep dunlong Kachanep check a truck bearing registration number NL01AD 3486 Lapen NL01AD 5835 Henlo. Kenep long ahut petrol pump adung along kapasang ahut si hini sop 25 gram heroin kenep long bangso along kacherabdun driver Umakanta Singh Arta Thongkebrapho SO Karlitang KH Digendra Singh Arong Keirao PS Irilbung Manipur Lapen inut abangke polis atum kuruk bom ahut kadui pusi pacini bangso asai kedeng ponlong John Das SDPO Bokajan Cherabdun OC Bokajan Dimbeswar Thakuria SI UB Charan Mahan Chetia Lapen staff Hanjang Langsopen Bisnu Lekhe Newsfast Karbi Anglong.
Non malongso phan bir time tons na.
For the first time at your town, Lifeline Diagnostic Clinic, MG Road, Dipu, Main Market, Karbi Anglong. Doctors RS of OBS and Gynae, Skin Specialist, Medicine Specialist, Child Specialist, Bone Specialist, Consultant Eye Specialist, along with all the facilities such as Infertility Clinic, Ultrasound, Hematology, Microbiology, Biochemistry, ECG, Clinical Pathology, Pharmacy and much more. Master Health Checkup of General Health Blood, RE, ABO, RH, Diabetes Checkup, Thyroid Profile, Lipid Profile, Kidney Function Test, Liver Function Test, RE Urine Test also done here. Book your free home collection at 970-736-7150. Thank you.
Birta Kamtuan Pen nang jiroi tulo.
Pini Porphai Kresia Por District Press Club of Karbi Anglong Asai Hem Along Organization Conclub Satu Pherangkia Mai ke Phapon Pini Bangso Pherangkia Mai Along Organization Conclubs Spokesperson Sam Inti Ronjit Kram Salapen Vidya Singh Rong Piatumahin Pen ke Jongpona Tengke Surihini Rak Cricket Hompen Krep Lianingkan 60 Nos Lapen Surihini Rak Krep Lipen Krep Ho Aningkan 64 Nos AIBP Pen Minor Irrigation Scheme Kedeng Pon Karbi Anglong Atok Anu Asai Klem Patang Te Lapen Arona Teng Pen Sai Klem Kle Lapen Non Puanta Keong Dung A Scheme Kapatang Te Dolang Lapen Organization Conclubs Atum Ahin Pen Authority Aphan Ketang Te Asai Kapatang Japhan Kachuning Ripadopon Jongsi Organization Conclubs Alam Patepek Bulotang Te Kivang Jia Porahut Sit in Demonstration Mate Dharna Setamik Padonang Kok Poputa Pini Organization Conclub Spokesperson Atum Pherangkia Mayalong Ningjepon Pinpur Me Song Ing Koyatum Celangsi Organization Conclubs Pu Amen Chiirpon Bangsoa Song Ing Koyatum Kedamtang Aporahut Pusitame Additional Chief Engineer Irrigation Department Aphan Bangso AIDP Aski Maputhak Tok Jirpen Lo Additional Chief Aphan Panong Si Pipa Jirdam Edlo Dipupen Pankatsteka Newsfast Karbi Anglong
Pinia Birta Lansi Pajudlo Dumi Thakme Kardo.